Hello, my name is Nagaraj Siddhar Shet from Kumta. I am this time issue. So nearby Shivratri, Hindu religion popular festival, one festival and popular is biggest god in one god. Shiva is most biggest god in one god. Birthday Shivratri is so every Hindu religion popular festival in one festival enjoy this moment and prayer. Shivratri, this prayer, every people, every pilgrim Hindu religion, I pray this that time is so popular god in one god and popular places is one place Gokarna and Dhareshwara, Murdeshwara is so more places including my Uttar Kannada district is so Karnataka. It's so this biggest the god in one god and biggest largest statue in one statue Murdeshwara is so popular. Popular festival in one festivals. I believe this God, this more every pilgrim, every Hindu religion, blessing you this God, bless you this God. Bless this God. So I pray Shivratri is so birthday Shivratri Mahashivratri Mahakal is more name of the this God Shiva. So I am believe this God and I am believe this God this Mahashivratri. Every people wishes.